Oh yeah, this is part 2. I'm still sleeping, but go watch part 1 first before this. This would not make any sense to you. Oh, get up! I'm up. I'm up. I'm up. I'm up. I'm up. Jamie, get up. Yes, ma'am. Anybody want milk for breakfast? I do. I will have it for my manly muscle. Get the 2 milks to Ryan and Stella. Stella, let's trade. But Dad, trade with your father. Yes, ma'am. Switch with Stella.
It's the penthouse across the street, right? The one with the red awning and the incompetent doorman with gray hair? That's the one. Okay, I just texted Christina. She said it.
Can Hannah have orange juice? Sure. Give Hannah orange juice. I better get up.
I'm not sure I can work with this. Oh, you guys are going to get along great. When you do, just give me a
Got her. Ow. There. That's better. Give me the morning muffin. Purple yogurt. Pink yogurt.
Although on a completely unrelated note, there's an audition for a Spielberg movie this Thursday.
Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Gulp, 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 gulp. Blah, blah. Hannah, this is good. What's wrong, everybody? We're all puking. It was the food. Hey, Mom, can I go bike ride? Sure, sweetheart. Yay! Vroom. Bye. Bye.
Even pretending to be Alice, you can write songs with Austin? I'll explain to you later, guys. Roxy, want to play this new song? I'd love to.
Phew. Once in a lifetime.